What is good, guys? Welcome to a new trade breakdown. I haven't posted in a few days because I've just been busy and I've been, dealing with some stuff. But we are back. Today I'm breaking down a trade that has made me, guess how much? Well, you saw the title, so why the fuck am I talking about this? I made $28,000 trading this, and this was gold continuation all-time highs. So let's get right into this setup. So here we are on the XAU chart. This is obviously Tuesday to the night of Wednesday. So Asia session. Let's just come in here and let me show you guys something. First of all, let me go to my Discord, right? I'm gonna go to my Discord and I'm gonna show you guys that I posted this ahead of time, right? You guys can see, was it this day? Exactly this day, right? What did I say? Well, you can't really hear, but what I was saying, like, look, most likely what happens is we're gonna bounce from here, right? And at least take out these highs, and from there on we will see what price does. If we manage to come down here, that would be a little bit better because that would give me a better entry, would have taken those liquidities out and go lower, right? To catch a better entry, also get a better risk reward. And then as a worst case, we will go here, and for target, I said, look, I'm thinking at least 4,900, definitely 4,800, right? We're at 4,762. So what happened? So actually, that's not this demand, it's this demand. Actually, I don't remember what happened. Let's just wait. Okay, so you guys can see right here, right? Let me go back in time real quick. Oops, you guys. So essentially what happened was, you can see here on the this is the demand that I marked out, right? This was the demand that I marked out. Now a lot of people will think, okay, this is liquidity. This is just a supply respect, because at the end of the day we had a bearish chalk flip to the downside, right? Now that doesn't matter because we're trading at all-time high. And why the fuck would it matter at all-time high that we have a bearish chalk flip? Because there's no respected place that a chalk flip has to react from. There's no supply, there's nothing, right? So we came into the demand, this 1 minute demand right here, very beautiful. We simply, we had a break of structure. We had another break of structure, very simple continuation entry model on this. Stop loss to be this low, right? And my TB was set at 4,900, yeah. If you guys saw me on TikTok live, I was live in this trade and I was floating fuck knows how much money. I was floating a lot of money. And I was like, I'm gonna for the plot, because I closed the first batch of this trade at 4,800, right? This was on my Alpha Futures account. On 3 of my funded accounts, I closed this trade, right? So you guys can see stop loss was here, TP was here. Now on this trade, I was risking around, I think it was like $750, something like that. Because when TP managed to hit, I made $7,500 on these 3 accounts. So that was good. I was continuing to hold this trade during the day on my Top Step Live account, right? And I was continuously holding this trade, but I think I only risked like $200-300 on this trade. I didn't risk much on this trade because it was really fast, and I think my entry was a little bit worse here, and I almost got that wick with me on my entry. Luckily that didn't happen because my entry would have been shit. But that was exactly as market opened, and I wasn't really on my desk, so I almost kind of missed that trade. But I did take the trade. I was risking, I think, around $200. So price goes up. It goes up quite significantly, and I'm just aggressively trailing my stop, right? My latest trail stop was here. I see we're pumping, and then we get that retracement. Okay, we get that retracement. I was actually asleep, right? So I think my last trail stop was here. I don't exactly remember, but I remember getting out this trade before all-time high, right? So we had that bounce. I continued to trail my stop to this low, right? So now I'm at least securing, let me calculate this shit, because I think I'm at least securing like $2,500, yeah. And then I think we see another small retracement, and then we go up. And once we got here, we were very close to all-time high, and we were not super far away. And I think the difference was only $500 because I reset my TP at this high. And my TP was at this high, and I was like, you know what, let me just fucking close this trade because I can't be ass waiting. And I made $4,600 on this trade. And it's kind of weird to make $4,600 on a trade that makes you 23R and that makes you what is it, well, 1,170 pips. That's kind of ass, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. So my alpha made 7,500 multiplied by 3, that's 22.5k. And then this one is 4,600, so that's 27k actually. The title is going to be 48k, or 28k, because that'll also be the email. So I guess I'm just clickbaiting you guys, but it's fine. This was a trade. It was very lucky because actually we started fucking dumping after this. I think I didn't exactly close at this high. I might have closed like, I think once this chalk flip happened, I closed like at this low, because some Trump was speaking, and I was like, actually, yeah, I closed somewhere here. I don't exactly remember why, but I remember that Trump was speaking, and I knew like, listen, if Trump speaks, we're gonna go way higher. So what's the point of really like trying to TP here? Then I might as well hold. And I was like, you know what? I'd rather secure my profits because I'm so much on profit. And low key, I never expected price to come down all the way to entry. I didn't expect that, so I'm lucky we closed. And yeah, and then from here on today, we also caught some amazing longs, which I will break down in the next trade, which will be online tomorrow. So yeah, that was a breakdown. Hope you guys did enjoy. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace fucking, no, just peace out.